So this is the last diagram we will be studying from chapter 3, that is parts of flower. As you all can see children, again I have drawn the central line and a base to draw the pedicel and calyx. Alright, so into this again we have 10 to 11 names to label. So first of all, draw the center part. Draw the central part of the diagram. Okay, stigma, style, and when it is moving down we'll be making it little bulgy, so that becomes your ovary. Alright, sharp your pencils before you're drawing the diagrams and just remove this central line. Okay, rub this central line. Alright, so we have this double layer and we have egg cells or ovas inside the ovary. So you can draw them like this. Okay, the most important part is clear, easy one. Now let us draw this green color portion. We are not coloring it, but usually it appears green in color. This green color portion is nothing but sepals, right? Sepals. And then at the down we will be drawing a small stalk structure, that is pedicel. Okay, so when we finish drawing this, now let us draw anther and the filament. So 3 anthers, seeing that the height of the anther and the filament, the height of this should be till this one, okay, above the ovary, but not till it is reaching to the stigma. So minimum height in the 3 anther and the filament we will draw. See, this is 1, then next down here 2, 1 more down here, 3. Okay, try to join it over here. Same way we'll be drawing on either, I mean both the sides, right? So both the sides of your style we will be drawing anthers and the filaments. Okay, these are the male reproductive organ. We also called it as androeciums, parts of your androeciums, right? And then this, if you will see, I'm just trying to adjust it with the height and with the same distance. Okay, all right, see, half of the part, I mean the structure of flower is ready. And then just draw 4 petals, 4 petals of any shape. 1, and the second I'll begin over here. 2, we can draw many, but just 1, 2, I mean 4 are enough, 4 are enough. All right, okay, see, my diagram is ready. Let us label. As I told you, 11 parts. This first part is stigma, and the stalk like structure is your style. Try to give all the names on the right hand side, style. And then we have this, can you see what it is called? Ovary. Okay, write them 3 together, style, stigma, ovary, and you can write that these are the parts of gynoecium. So we'll write parts, these are the parts of gynoecium, okay, female reproductive organ. Now let us go to this. Okay, this part is called anther, and the stalk of this anther we called it as filament. All right, filament. Now again join them together. These are the male reproductive part. We called it as androecium. Okay, we called it as androecium. Right, half of the job is done, children. Okay, this is what we need to remember. This stalk like structure is called pedicel. Okay, pedicel, Pedicel, pedicel. This green color part we called it as calyx. It is also called sepals, so we can write that in the bracket, sepals. And this color petals we called corolla, 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 and in bracket write petals. So sepals are green in color, petals can be colorful, depends upon the color of the flower. So just count how many names we have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything is missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, everything we have done. Yes, what is missing is the label at the end. Title of the diagram. What is the title? Parts of the flower. Parts of flower. All right. Easy. Hope you will be practicing it. Okay. Thank you so much.